Bitcoin is bouncing right now, but the question is this a sustainable bounce, or is this just a potential fake out and we will actually head lower? That is something that I want to talk about with you guys today. So definitely stick around until the end so that you will get the best information out of the video, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel and smash up the like button, and also activate the notification bell so that you will always be notified when I put out one of these important videos. And now let's jump directly into the charts here. But I want to first mention, guys, I could not make a video the last 2 days because on the first day I had important meetings. That's why I could not make a video, and yesterday my YouTube video editor was traveling. That was why yesterday was not a video released. So but today I'm back, and on a daily basis there will be now continuously videos. So here on the 1 hourly chart we can see that we had here this potential pennant or symmetrical triangle, it depends on how you want to see that, with the potential breakdown target of $14,450 and to the upside $19,050. So we have seen here, after we reached the apex, a potential breakdown, but not as steep as the technical target would give us of the symmetrical triangle. And from there we saw a small double bottom formation that broke then to the upside and had also reached the target here on the 1 hourly chart. So but now the question is, will we jump above this downward sloping resistance line, or will we see here another failure to break the structure to the upside and continue to go here into lower levels? So, and for that I wanna move here quick in with some indicators if it lets me. So here on the 1 hourly time frame, the MACD has crossed bearish and wants to basically put more sell pressure on Bitcoin. But here on the stochastic RSI we are flattening already on the lowest level, so which means we are also oversold in a certain sense here. So that means short term we could see more upwards momentum here on the 1 hourly time frame, but that could be short lived. On the 4 hourly time frame you see actually why, because here we see we are losing momentum on the MACD already. So where we could see a rollover of the trend line to get across of the signal line, and that would be then a bearish buy signal again. Here we have it already on a stochastic RSI where we got a sell signal because we are overbought here on the 4 hourly chart. So and that of course could lead to further downwards movement. That's over the next, let's say, 8 hours we could see potential some movement here slightly to the upside, but then I think there would be a failure to continue so from the bulls, and we would be actually heading lower. The same goes when we go to the 1 hourly time, so to the daily time frame. Here on the MACD I believe we could see a fake out. So even though you see here the sell pressure is flattening out here based on these candles, so but on the MACD on stochastic RSI there's not much room left to go here higher. So that means by today's candle close we could see a turnaround on the MACD on the stochastic RSI with a flash of a sell signal, and that could also mean that we see here that we actually get the crossover, but it rolls over again and we continue to go here in another bearish phase, something what we have seen for example here when we just look at the candles for the MACD. So I would not be overly confident here that we break now let's say above $18,700, because there would be the next bigger resistance that we would attack. So I don't believe that Bitcoin will go all the way up here to retest this level and actually break it, potentially retesting, but definitely not going to breaking it. And that's why I would be here, be really cautious with my potential trade setup. Also, when we look here on the visible range, on the volume profile, also there we see there's massive resistance coming in here from these volume traded areas, and that's basically here this whole price range of $18,200 to $22,200. So like I said, a potential retest could be happening at close to $18,000, but then we would be rolling over and potentially go into lower levels. So but Can we trade this? Yes, of course. We can do a scalp trade. We can do a day trade on this setup here to the upside. So and if you want to do this, guys, don't forget on BYBIT, you still get right now $30,000 in free bonuses if you sign up with my specific link here. This is gone in, I think, by the end of the month or so. So you should definitely take advantage of that and sign up on BYBIT before it's too late. And the same goes for BitGet, $8,000 in free bonuses with 15% discount on the fees. Also only with my link if you click the link right now for BYBIT and BitGet. In the pinned comment below and in the video description, you find both of these links. So guys, yeah, so you understood now my outlook here. You see it also here on the daily time frame on this specific chart. So when we came down here to $15,400, we tapped into support here. That support is coming from all the way back here when we broke above that area and basically more or less never came back from it. So, and we tapped into this here once again. So, but if we break this support, we will head to $14,000, potentially even $11,000, which will be, of course, in the midterm not really good for Bitcoin. Guys, that's it already for today's update. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below if you think that we actually break 18,000 or if we're gonna head lower. I would like to know, guys, so definitely let me know in the comments below. And don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you again tomorrow.